at this. Look down here. Look, it's a river. It's a river in Lauren's driveway. And here is a fallen tree. Wait. I gotta get you in here. Look over here, Lisa. Y'all come over here so you can get in the video. Come in the light.
Hey, look at our feet.
Woo-hoo!
Okay, y'all.
We're gonna get in. Look, Rachel. Okay, no wait, I gotta get in here too so you can see me. I'm here. We're trying to move the tree. And here we go.
Lauren, get on this side. Where are we just gonna push it down the road?
Yeah, I wonder if I should help or if I should just be the videographer here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, can you get the water?
Huh? Yeah, I did. I got water.
Okay.
Here we go.
Wait a minute, let me get it.
All right, now heaving hoe.
Just pour the water.
Oh, there they go. Oh. All right, you got to be careful what you say. You're on video. There you go. There they go. Good. Oh, look at this river right here. Woo! There they go. Oh, I feel like I can get. Look at that. Now that's good right there. That's some water.
Well, the water.
All right, now we're good. Whoa, look, there's some everything in it. It's spicy.
I should.
Woo!
I said something.
Oh, I didn't hear
And I
it.
dropped the
Look at that!
That's a little bit of poison ivy all over.
Uh-oh, poison ivy.
Look at this. Angela.
Oh, gee, look at that! It's an adventure. We love adventure. Ooh, check that out. That's some water. Oh, there they go. They're pushing. There they go. Whoa.
Oh, stop it. Pull it out. Like this.
It's an adventure.
Don't put your hands on the thing. No, I think we're just going to have to drive over it.
Look at that, the amount of water just in the driveway.
Let me go get the
river. Whoa, what was that?
Oh, what was that? Let me go get the little chainsaw.
Okay.
Hey, Lauren.
Yeah, we're going to go get a little
Lauren.
chainsaw.
All I got to do is drive around it. We'll chainsaw it in the morning. Okay. She's going to get it now.